Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the dock level and inventory because upgrades fail without the right parts. Once done, pull the 3 rope units, 2 planks, and a gas canister from storage and stage them beside the balloon. Make sure one technician is assigned. They'll run the initial checks. Now initiate the upgrade sequence on the console. Select Upgrade Tier, confirm resource consumption, and press Execute. This begins structural reinforcement and power routing. Do not interrupt the process while the console shows active progress. Once the upgrade sequence is running, focus on structure and systems so the dock handles increased load. First, reinforce anchor points with 6M8 fasteners and add sealant at joints. This prevents stress fractures. Next, swap in the upgraded actuator for the lift system and calibrate sensitivity to 0.5 so the balloon rises smoothly. Then route the power cable to the new controller, test the 12-volt rail, and confirm it sustains roughly 80% load. If calibration drifts, repeat fine-tuning steps. You finish by running full diagnostics to ensure safety and reliability. Start a stress test, perform a lift trial with the balloon at incremental loads, and confirm environmental seals hold. Once diagnostic passes, install the firmware patch and save a configuration snapshot so you can revert if needed. Make sure auto-revert is enabled for the first hour of operation. If something goes wrong, check fastener torque first, then the power supply and actuator alignment. Those 3 issues cause most post-upgrade failures and are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.